Hello everybody and welcome to another lesson. This lesson is called Yes, I Can. Hello, my name is Adam Sensei. Good afternoon. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. First we have a look. Little bird, can you clap? Can you? Something the little bird definitely can do is sing. The little bird would say, I can sing. Now, to ask that as a question, we need to swap around these two words, I and can. And then we need to add a question mark, and that might look like this. Can you sing? So we've changed the question around, we've changed who it's about, because we're not asking I, we're asking you. And it becomes, can you sing? With the question mark here. Now, if we want to answer, and we want to say that we can sing, yes, we say, yes, I can. Or you can say, yes, I can sing. But yes, comma, I can. Or maybe you can't sing, in which case you would say, no, I cannot. No, I cannot sing. But remember, in English, we're very lazy. Very lazy. So we have a shortcut. And we say can't. And can't is can and not together. So no, I cannot becomes no, I can't. So that's the little bird. Now let's talk about you. I have all these questions I can ask you. Can you swim? Can you swim? Can you swim? Can you swim? Or we could say, can you dance? Can you dance? Can you dance? Can you dance? Can you ride a bicycle? 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 And of course we need to move the question mark down as well. And the last one, can you speak English? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? And how are we going to answer that? Well, we have a few different ways. We can say, yes, I can. Maybe, yes, I can swim. Or, yes, I can dance. Or, yes, I can ride a bicycle. Or, yes, I can speak English. Or maybe we can't. And we say, no, I cannot. No, I cannot swim. No, I cannot dance. No, I cannot ride a bicycle. No, I cannot speak English. And of course, cannot becomes can't. No, I can't swim. No, I can't dance. No, I can't ride a bicycle. No, I can't speak English. So that's my questions for you, and now maybe you have some questions for me. And these questions are all around food. So, first one, can you eat onions?
Let's ask Adam Sensei. Can you eat onions? Can you eat onions?
Yes, I can eat onions. Yes, I can eat onions. Can you eat carrots?
Let's ask Adam Sensei. Can you eat carrots? Can you eat carrots?
Yes, I can eat carrots. Yes, I can eat carrots. Can you eat green peppers?
Let's ask Adam Sensei. Can you eat green peppers? Can you eat green peppers?
Yes, I can eat green peppers. Yes, I can eat green peppers. You might say, Adam Sensei, can you eat mushrooms?
Let's ask Adam Sensei. Can you eat mushrooms? Can you eat mushrooms?
Yes, I can eat mushrooms. Yes, I can eat mushrooms. You might say, Adam Sensei, can you eat broccoli?
Let's ask Adam Sensei. Can you eat broccoli? Can you eat broccoli?
Yes, I can eat broccoli. Yes, I can eat broccoli. If I couldn't eat them, I would say no, I can't, but I like my food.
Adam Sensei likes vegetables.
So, very good. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson so far. Now we're going to have a look at a worksheet. So this is the worksheet for today's lesson. As always, start by writing your name at the top. Mine's Adam Sensei. Now the first one is about you. In fact, the first two are about you. And you have a question, can you sing? And you have to circle which one is right. So can you sing? And the options are yes I can or no I can't. And circle one of them. Number 2, can you dance? The options are yes I can or no I can't. Same for number 3, can you fly? You can put yes I can or no I can't. Number 4, can you eat onions? Yes I can or no I can't. Number 5, and this time you have to also trace the words can or can't, and it's can you eat mushrooms? You can say yes I can or no I can't. And for the last one, about broccoli, you have to write down your answer. Can you eat broccoli? And you want to write either yes I can or no I can't. Okay, that's the end of our lesson for today. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, ask your teacher, and I'll see you later, Alex.